Another day, another story.
Steve Ballmer, born on March 24, 1956, is an American businessman and investor. He is best known for his tenure as the CEO of Microsoft Corporation from 2000 to 2014. Ballmer's life story is marked by his unwavering determination, relentless work ethic, and remarkable business acumen. Ballmer grew up in the suburbs of Detroit, Michigan, in a middle-class family. He displayed his exceptional academic abilities from an early age, graduating as the valedictorian of his high school class. In 1973, he enrolled at Harvard University, where he excelled both academically and athletically. Ballmer graduated magna cum laude with a bachelor's degree in applied mathematics and economics. After completing his education, Ballmer joined Procter & Gamble as an assistant product manager. However, his true passion lay in the emerging field of technology. In 1980, he made a life-changing decision to join Microsoft, a small software company co-founded by his college friend, Bill Gates. At the time, Microsoft had just 30 employees and a vision to put a computer on every desk and in every home. Ballmer quickly rose through the ranks at Microsoft, demonstrating his exceptional leadership skills and business acumen. He played a pivotal role in the company's expansion and diversification, helping Microsoft become one of the most influential and successful technology companies in the world. In 2000, Ballmer succeeded Bill Gates as the CEO of Microsoft. During his tenure, he faced numerous challenges, including the dot-com bubble burst and increased competition from rivals like Apple and Google. However, Ballmer's relentless drive and determination propelled Microsoft to new heights. Under his leadership, the company launched several successful products, including the Windows XP operating system, Office Suite, and the Xbox gaming console. Ballmer's motivational and energetic leadership style earned him both praise and criticism. He was known for his passionate and enthusiastic speeches during company events, inspiring employees to give their best. His "developers" chant became legendary and showcased his dedication to Microsoft's developer community. In 2014, Ballmer stepped down as CEO of Microsoft but continued to be actively involved with the company. He remains one of Microsoft's largest individual shareholders and has dedicated his time and resources to various philanthropic endeavors. He has also pursued other interests, including his ownership of the Los Angeles Clippers basketball team. Steve Ballmer's life story exemplifies the power of determination, perseverance, and visionary leadership. His contributions to Microsoft and the technology industry have left an indelible mark, and his motivational speeches and energetic persona continue to inspire aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders around the world.
Thanks for watching.